Hey everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is if it all came back around to you, would it help you or hurt you? If it all came back around to you, would it help you or hurt you? This question makes us reflect on the things or the kind of what behavior, what are things that we are doing in our life. So So it's just a question what would happen, whatever you are doing, are you pausing for a moment and thinking about like, am I doing the right thing or not? What would be your behavior? What would be your response if the same thing that you are doing to others happened to you? Would it help you or would it hurt you? So questions like this are makes us reflect and change the further course of action. If I talk about me, and if I look back and decide that whatever things that I'm doing, if it comes back, will it help me and or will it hurt me? Or the answer can be very biased, but I'm strongly inclined to move towards if it all came back, it will help me certainly. Definitely, it won't hurt me, whatever I'm doing. So whenever I try to do things, I make sure, or even if I'm not helping someone, I make sure that I'm not hurting or any other way as well. So my focus always remains to if I can help, then in what way I can help. And if I'm not able to help someone, then I won't make his or her life difficult as well. So this has been my suo motto. So yeah, and with this message, I also the want you to ponder over it, think over it, decide the things that you are doing, uh, if you are helping or not helping, if you are making someone's life difficult. If it all happens to you, will it hurt you or help you? Thank you. Over to you.